Hello there, it's Mr. Gallant, and I'm going to show you how to insert your pivot animation into the PowerPoint presentation. Alright, so in the other video I showed you how to file, export that animation, and remember it's going to be a GIF or a GIF, and you can see the one that I've saved in the D drive. Okay, now we've done that. We're going to go here, and if you don't see your PowerPoint program show up, then you just hit POW, start to spell it, and it'll pop up. I'll give it a second. There it is. So I click on PowerPoint. So here I am. Your program on your computer might look a little different. This version of PowerPoint is a little older. So we have a first slide to start off. We're going to hit Control M like Michael. We're going to get a couple of slides. We want 3 slides. Our first one is going to be our title. You come up with something later that is more interesting, of course. Your second one is where your animation is going to go. Alright, so let's do that. We're going to go to Insert and Picture. And we're going to go Picture from File. Then we're going to go and find your D drive. So click on My Computer, and let's go to that D drive. On your computer it's New Volume D, or might be called Local Disk D. I double click there, and there's the file, my pivot GIF. Alright, I click on that and Insert. It's going to pop up. Now it might be full screen, it might be partial screen. You can resize it as you wish. Alright, so once again we've got our title, and we have our animation, and thirdly we're going to put credits. Alright, so just like at the end of a movie, you might put, animation created by, you might put music is by. We'll get into music later. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is we want to add some fanciness to this. We don't want to just have the white background. So we're going to go to Format and Slide Design. Now again, depending on the year of your program, you might see Slide Design along the top. Just look for that same feature. Okay, and you'll get a whole bunch of different colors. I'm just going to click on something I like here, and you decide that you like. Now if I hit F5, I can see what this is going to look like. Key F5. Alright, that's what it'll look like. Title, there's your animation, and when it's put into PowerPoint it'll play, right, like a mini animation, little cartoon. And then there's my credits, and so on. Okay, so watch for the other video where you show you how to insert audio. Alright.